Good morning, folks. Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to be looking at our O vowel this week. Looking at our sort right now, you can obviously notice that there are double O's. Now, not all double O's make the same sound. We have the oo sound, and we also have the sound. So you're getting like the oo sound, which is not a long O, but it makes an interesting sound. But then the sound, almost like a short U sound, which is what you see here with this header. It has the short O sound symbol above it, but you have two O's in the word. So for instance, if I'm talking about the oo sound, like I see here, our header for that is soon. You hear ooh when you say that. But then down here we have double O's with good, and you hear when you say good. So you're going to really be looking for your sounds this week. You also have a couple of oddballs because you see, like in the word could or would, all the way down here at the bottom, you're hearing the short U sound, but you're spelling it with an OU, and we'll see a couple of those words. So let's go through and read all of our words. We have at the top here, I already said good. Then we have fool, noon, root, hook, hoop, stool, and wood. Then you have cool, wood, groom, stood, troop, should, proof, soot. Soot is kind of like the blackish residue or dust left over, say, like in a fireplace. Then you have crook, last column, could, hood, tool, root, brook, wool, and roost. So let's go through kind of like our first column here. We're thinking about the oo sound, like in the word fool. O, that's going to go with your O at the top here, your O at the top that has the line over it, fool. Then you have noon, I'm still hearing oo, root, hoop, stool, second column, cool, groom, troop, proof. Now I'm in the third column, tool. Now this word root is interesting. You hear oo, but it's spelled OU, so that's going to go out in that other column, that oddball column. Then you have roost. Now I'm thinking about the sound, like in good. You have hook. I'll put the little symbol above it like this. Hook, wood, stood. I'm hearing Now should says but it's spelled OU, so that's going to be one of those oddballs. Then I have soot, crook, could, again, that's an oddball because it has the OU in it, hood, brook, and wool. So this week you're thinking about the oo sound, the sound, and sometimes oo and are also made with OU, so you're going to put that out in an oddball column. All right, happy sorting. If you need my help, please raise your hand and I will come around to assist you.